ready for our first acro chair trick. And this is called the Superwoman. So you are going to turn your chair to the side so you have enough room. You are going to put your hands on your chair, step your feet back, allow your pelvis to touch the edge of the chair, the top of it. You're gonna work your way down to our seat, lift your feet up, and there we go, the Superwoman. You can hold on in the middle, put one hand out. You can make your feet swim. Okay, when you're done, you can put your legs back on the floor, work your way back up. Boom, boom. Hey, Athena, come try it. So Athena is asking right now where we are going to be putting that top of the chair. And it's gonna be right around where that fold is. And then as you move around on the chair, you may actually modify where you are so that you find the right spot for you. So let's give it a try. Step back, grab onto your chair, find the fold, walk your hands down, and lift your legs up. Shall we try it together?
Yes.
All right. Find the place. Walk your hands down, lift one foot, lift another foot. Good. You can put your chest all the way down and then push up. Yes. Try to keep your legs super straight. Perfect. Okay, Athena's gonna try it, so let's go. Hands on top of the chair, feet back. Try and find that special spot on your pelvis on the chair. Good, and you're gonna put your hands on the seat, lift your feet up at the same time. Yes, very good. So Athena went all the way down to the chair, and now she can pop her arms back up. Yes, good. And now move one hand to the middle of the chair and put the other hand out. Yes, excellent. So one more time. Boom, walk your hands, boom, boom. Now, if you want, you can go all the way to the seat so that the top of the chair moves a little bit further down to your legs, and then you can pop yourself up. But it's gonna be different for everyone because of how our bodies are made, okay? So I'm gonna go down, work your way back up, push yourself up, boom, boom, and hey.